Pisgah National Forest. Full of awesome hikes, waterfalls, and amazing things to do. We were down there for mountain biking. It is an awesome mountain bike destination, but today we're checking out some waterfalls.
Meet me with a meadow scroll by the waterhole. Lucid dreams of you and me. Sky high, busy life, I wanna leave.
This one here is called Looking Glass Falls. This is right off of the main highway going through. One of the easiest accessible ones that from downtown only takes you a short drive to get there. And like I say, super accessible. Doesn't those steps you see there is all it takes to get down to see them. You can actually see them from the car if you really wanted. But this hike required very little effort for a big payoff of an awesome waterfall. Now you're seeing us start walking towards more Cove Falls. This is more of a walk that is probably intermediate, beginner to intermediate. Maybe a 15-minute walk out to this fall. What you're seeing is about what you get, nothing too technical. A couple cool little sights along the way, giant rocks, things to check out.
You gotta zoom in on the. There we go.
The mule?
Yep. Diane's the mule.
This fall actually is a short drive from Looking Glass Falls, literally only another 10-minute drive, if that, up the highway. A lot of people piece these two falls together just because you can do them both within the hour and a half. We did this right at dusk, so we wanted to hurry up and fit two in.
Call me out from my shadow self. It's time I can tell. I wanna be less than.
These falls and many more are in Pisgah National Forest. We used Trailforks. It's an app. Trailforks, look it up on your Android or Apple device, and you can find all kinds of waterfalls, all kinds of hikes. It tells you the elevation, it tells you how hard they are, difficult they are, how long it will take you. You get in little areas like this in little mountain towns. Trailforks, an amazing app.
Not gonna waste our time. We're not gonna stress, not gonna make a mess.
Oh yeah, baby. Look at that. All right.
Yeah. All right, guys, that about sums up our little tour of the two falls. We're going to keep you informed on different fun stuff that's out there. We do another couple fall tours, waterfall tours here, and we'll keep you informed on some cool places to check out. The guy's lost in Pictionary, by the way.